Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super relevant showdown, Vega One versus Shakeology. In this 2025 edition, we'll break down which protein shake comes out on top based on ingredients, nutrition, taste, price, and overall value. If you're trying to level up your health game, this video is for you. Let's dive in. First off, let's talk ingredients. Vega One is a 100% plant-based option, made from peas, hemp, and other veggies, making it perfect for vegans and those avoiding animal products. Shakeology, on the other hand, offers both plant-based and whey-based varieties, packing in superfoods like kale, mushrooms, and probiotics for a broader nutrient profile. But Vega One edges out for its simplicity and fewer additives, which appeals to clean-eating fans. Now, nutrition-wise, both shakes deliver solid protein. Vega One has about 20 grams per serving, while Shakeology matches that with added vitamins and minerals. Vega One shines in fiber content, helping with digestion, whereas Shakeology boasts more antioxidants and adaptogens for stress relief. If you're watching calories, Vega One is lighter at around 160 calories per shake compared to Shakeology's 200, depending on the flavor. Taste is subjective, but from 2025 user reviews, Vega One gets props for its smooth, chocolatey options that mix well without a gritty texture. Shakeology flavors like cafe latte are fan favorites, but some find it overly sweet. Price-wise, Vega One is more budget-friendly at about $1.50 per serving, while Shakeology can run up to $3, making it a premium choice. So, who wins? If you're all about plant-based purity and saving money, go with Vega One. But if you want a nutrient-packed shake with variety, Shakeology might be your pick. Ultimately, it depends on your goals. Test them out and see what works for you. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe for more health comparisons. See you next time.